Give Bez a blowjob.
Oh no, I'm gonna hit the wood, aren't I? Yeah.
I just got overlooked.
No! I did it as well, Ethan.
I didn't let me bounce, you prick.
Oh, okay, cool.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
JJ's done race mode, bro.
Man's done.
I did a 3. I did a 3. Josh, if you do a 3, we're equal men.
What was that?
Someone should make a compilation of all the weird noises.
Yeah, it already exists. It came out today. Yesterday.
Just Josh's weird noises, bro. It's over.
Gang, gang, gang. Squad, squad, squad.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different.
Oh fuck! I
Oh!
got the BM of the century.
Mate, Simon actually just came, like, fully.
It was just a little bit of a voice crack.
Oh!
It wasn't
your
like that
mum.
at all.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Hey!
Please.
Oh, look at this.
I don't want, what am I making at this point? My throat hurts.
Let's go.
Ooh!
Yeah, I've landed it.
What? Why did I just drop off?
Woo! Why do I not get the checkpoint? All right.
It was sick. It was wrong.
I know how to do it.
Ooh!
Really?
If I could respawn.
No, didn't make that
Okay,
one.
that's fine, that's fine.
Jeez.
This race turned us all into little girls. It's weird.
Into little woo girls, just.
Oh, fuck.
No, not again.
No,
The
no,
same.
It also turned us into
bench.
Tekken. I think it turned Vic into Tekken characters.
Because he's Asian.
Oh my god.
Oh, the shortcut is
Are
real,
you
Josh.
saying that quiz Asian?
Nah, bruv.
No, bro.
Nah, bro.
I am Goku.
Oh, bye.
What is this for?
You're right.
No!
Oh come on, Ramsey, you've got that.
That's mine. Oh, these noises aren't healthy.
Toby does in his spare time. Well, because he's always ghosting.
Wait, that doesn't sound like ghosting, that sounds like sucking dick.
That was weird. That was weird.
Wait, how do you know what sucking dick sounds like?
Listen to you every night.
Oh! What?
Bang.
It's like why are you listening to it?
He's a loud sucker.
Wow.
He's like Henry Hoover.
Man gives the sloppy blowjobs.
Fuck's sake, Vic.
He calls them the sloppy Giuseppes.
Alright.
Okay.
It's the first place a problem.
Oh shit.
First
It really is.
That was a weird laugh for me.
First place really is an issue.
It was weirder the second time, no
Josh,
doubt.
that was a lot more odd. Are you ready? What is that? It's a mad skip. It's not a blue. It's not a blue. I told you, it's the noise. You do and it works. See?
You pretend you're sucking on a dick.
Or some titties. Yes! I got
That
one!
was good. That was really
We
good.
got him for. There you go, it's your club. Josh, I
don't feel so bad anymore.
Yeah, you're a trooper, bro, don't worry. Oh my god. That noise was alright, I'm sorry. Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh, you got me.
Okay, wait, composure.
I got.
Small snappy. Snappy, snap. I can't see the polish.
Josh, are you okay? I'm starting to wonder.
Have you not heard of Ich bin Snappy in this kleine Krokodil?
No, I can't say I have, mate.
Right, Simon, you've heard of Snappy, right?
Schnee, snappy. Snappy, snap.
Point time, one time, trivia pursuit with people.
Hey guys, and welcome to Roll PC on the Boo. Welcome to that game. Oh god! What the flibbity flubbity what?
If
You can do this. Anything can happen.
anything can happen.
No, that sounds like a dying seal.
And not on this.
Yes.
It's okay.
Oh, Josh!
Oh my god, I nearly in.
What happened to Josh?
I thought
Did I get a fake call?
I nearly in.
Did anyone see what happened to me?
Yeah, you landed on me.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's this window that involves me running off the edge, but
So for everyone watching, I haven't failed 500 times in a row. I never did
I'm
that
never
before.
ever touching a stinger again. This is a piece of
Just profit.
Talk to Ben, step 2, profit.
That one shot, you profit.
One shot a day
bounced me
keeps
out
the
the whole
evil
world.
away.
Some redemption. You want to really quickly do Forest?
What I'm just saying is that I got 14. I'm a gangster.
All I'm saying, Josh, is you
Got
bounced
14
out-
and came second.
No, you bounced me out one hole. You bounced me out one hole. Stop talking. I'm sassy, you bitch. You bounced me out of one, and then you profit off of me. You're a user. You're a stealer.